Hi everyone, my name's John. Welcome to Run Run Deal. If you want this deal, go to the Run Run Deal app to access this deal. This is awesome. It's beautiful. It is a tray for next to your bed. It is, I'm going to put that aside. It's really nice. This is really awesome. Look at this. It says, "To my dad," right there. Best dad ever. It's real simple. Look, it comes with a gift bag. You can put it in to give to your dad. It comes with a nice keychain that says "Best Dad Ever" on it. Really nice quality. Feels nice. So I'm gonna put this right here like that, and now I'm gonna put this together. It looks pretty simple to me. We're just gonna take and we're gonna fold up the edges and snap them. So probably have to fold them all first, right? I'm probably gonna have to do this, get it all bent up in there, right? And then this, and then we're gonna go like that to get that up. Remember everyone, go to Run Run Deals app to access this deal.